In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Download Center in College Football 27. First things first, go ahead and start from the main menu, and you need to scroll down and you're going to see Create and Share on here. Open this up. From here, you need to go ahead and select Download Center, and this is where you can go ahead and see all of those community-created schools, offensive and defensive playbooks, gameplay sliders, your shared files, and your download history. To download something, just go ahead and find whatever you want. Let's just go ahead and say we want to stick with some schools, right? We'll go through, we'll see, you know what, let's say Gulf Coast, right? We want to do this guy. Select it, and then you're able to preview it, and you can download it here as well, and report it if you find that it violates some sort of stuff. But yeah, choose whatever you want, download it from here, and then of course, once you go ahead and download it, the custom schools can be used in supported modes like Dynasty, while downloaded playbooks and sliders can be applied through the related settings. The My Share section is going to go ahead and show you what you've went ahead and shared, so you can, post stuff on here as well. But that really is the entire process. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.